meteorologist Alexa Trishler.
Yes, we have finally made it to another Friday. The weekend is here and it's going to be nice, but it will be hot and humid. We've got plenty of sunshine right now, a few scattered clouds, 90 degrees, feels like 98. The humidity is back in full swing, and we'll have wind today around 5 to 10 miles per hour, but they'll be from variable wind directions, maybe from the north at times and then from the southwest. So at least there is a little breeze out there, but the heat is certainly on too. Temperatures are in the upper 80s and low 90s across the area. 90 degrees at the airport in Kenner, 90 in Bogalusa, and 88 in Mandeville. Today, temperatures will top out in the low 90s. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds, and we'll trend mostly dry. Probably no rain at all today. Temperatures will be in the 80s this evening and then 70s by tomorrow morning. Our feels like temperatures will probably be around 100 degrees, maybe up to 102, since the dew points are back in the 70s. So it is feeling a bit more muggy and hotter today. So it is going to be a hot and humid day, and that'll be the trend through the weekend. Hot and muggy for the weekend. Temperatures in the low 90s on Saturday and Sunday, and we'll have a blend of sunshine and clouds both days. But there is a better chance for a few spotty showers and a couple thunderstorms around on Saturday and Sunday as a cold front slowly approaches the deep south. So here is the front. It's coming our way. Temperatures are much cooler across the Midwest and the northern half of the country behind the front that's going to make its way towards the Gulf Coast later this weekend. And it will bring us some really nice weather early this upcoming week. It's not going to be a big cool down for us, but it will be slightly milder early in the week and much less muggy once we get into Monday and Tuesday. But we have a hot and muggy weekend on the way for sure before it gets here. Today, like I mentioned, not much rain at all, maybe a stray shower, and that's really it. I wouldn't expect much rain at all today. Tomorrow, though, as the front slowly makes its way in, we'll see a few isolated showers and storms on Saturday. They will be hit or miss tomorrow. We'll have a few more clouds around tomorrow as well. Sunday, as the front continues to push to the south, we may see 1 or 2 showers around on Sunday, but not expecting much rain as the dry air starts to push in later into the weekend. So we'll plan for just a couple showers around for this weekend. Like I mentioned, a big batch of dry air is going to come our way behind that front. So by late Sunday and then Monday and Tuesday, it's going to be feeling really nice outside, much more comfortable with those lower dew points, maybe in the 50s and 60s. We'll see if the air is that dry. It's probably not going to be a bone dry air mass, but compared to the humidity we'll be feeling the next 3 days, Monday and Tuesday will be much more comfortable. And then even Wednesday and Thursday and into Friday of next week, the humidity is really not that bad. So we've got some pretty nice weather from now through next Friday. Now out in the tropics, we're still watching this one spot, Invest 91. It does have a high chance of tropical development in the coming days, and it will continue to move west towards the Lesser Antilles. It should approach the Lesser Antilles by later next week. So they'll have to watch how this comes together. Could become our next named storm in the next few days. So we're looking at a bunch of rain probably falling across the Caribbean islands by next Thursday, maybe next Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We'll also put on the spaghetti plots here to see how it will go. So far, it looks like Invest 91, which could become Gabrielle, our next named storm. We'll see. Will start to make that curve to the north, but this is 1 week from now. This is next Friday, September 12th. This is going to be a long-term area to watch. There are just really too many unknowns to say where it's going to go by next weekend. But so far we know it's headed towards the islands by later next week, and they'll have to watch it for some rain and some rough weather with that. So we'll keep an eye on that. Make sure you check back in. Stay tuned for that on the tropics as we head into the peak of the season. But there are no tropical worries for us along the Gulf Coast over the next week. Just some really delightful weather. Next week, like I mentioned, a little cooler in the upper 80s on Monday and Tuesday. Beautiful days ahead going into next week.